Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on our channel How to Log In. In this tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can sign up for LinkedIn. LinkedIn is an American business and employment oriented online service that operates via websites and mobile apps. To create an account for LinkedIn, you can use the mobile application or you can directly sign up from the website of LinkedIn. In this video, I'm gonna use the website of LinkedIn to sign up. The first thing you'll need to do is open up a browser of your choice. Then in the search bar, type in linkedin.com. Now as you can see, this is the official website of LinkedIn. Now to create your account, you can click on the Join Now button located on the top. You can either sign up to LinkedIn using your email address or you can directly sign up using your Google account. You can choose either of the options. For now, I'm going to use my email address. Type in your email address. After that's done, you'll need to create a password. Make sure your password is at least 6 characters long, which must include letters, numbers, and special characters. You can reveal your password by clicking on this show option. Now after you're done, you can click on agree and join. Now type in your first name and then your last name and hit continue. Select the country of your residence and then enter in your mobile number. Now a code will be sent to your mobile number. You need to enter the code to be able to successfully create an account. Click submit. And just like that, you have signed up for LinkedIn. I hope you guys liked this video and found this video to be helpful. If you did, then give this video a thumbs up and also hit subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification so you don't miss any of our videos such like this. That will be it for this video and I'll see you in the next one.